Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Vietnam, guys, live from Asia. Howdy, good morning, Vietnam, guys. I'm the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Asia, guys, and we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, and more Dogecoin, and what are whales doing, despite that crypto right now is not doing so good. We're seeing this huge consolidation for Bitcoin, seeing a huge consolidation for Dogecoin, and most of the other cryptos out there, nothing is really pumping. Now, I know a lot of you are kind of like getting bored, and a lot of you are like wondering, like, when the heck is this going to stop? Consolidation, one, is normal. Okay, that's the first thing. Two, tightly range-bound consolidation is good, because what happens often, we have an explosive move. Now, typically we're in a bull market, so this explosive move should be to the upside. The likelihood of an upside move is higher degree of probability than the downside. So we're going to be talking about that. But whales are buying, guys. Whales and institutions are actually starting to buy meme coins. I mean, I'm shocked, guys. I'm shocked. So it's a great time to be live, guys. Don't forget to go and smash the freaking likes like crazy. Don't forget to do that. And also, go and subscribe. I'm going to tap on your head. Tap. I'm going to tap on your head throughout this whole video till you start smacking the likes and the subscribe button, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. Urgent, stop doing this now. This is a great video. It's some really good advice from the perspective of what you should and shouldn't do when it comes to crypto. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. It's a great, and I got my Dogecoin t-shirt on. Dogecoin. OG's I got my Dogecoin t-shirt to the moon. I'm positive. I'm supporting the community, guys. Supporting the community. So we got some earnings coming out this week, which is really good, guys. Let me just adjust my camera a little bit. There you go. Beautiful. I got my Dogecoin. I got my Doge. I always carry my lucky Doge. Just my lucky Doge. I carry it with me everywhere. I love it. So we got earnings this week. We got Walmart, Home Depot, Cisco, Applied Materials, Sony, Deere, Petrobras, Alibaba, Baidu, JD, and so nothing big out there. We do have some interesting economic data coming out as well. We've got PPI, we got CPI on Wednesday. This is a big one. We got retail sales. We got jobless claims Thursday, and that's about it. So the big one that I'm looking at is CPI and PPI. So get ready for that. Get ready for that. Fear and greed. Let's give this a minute to refresh, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. We're seeing fear and greed as basically we're still in the greed zone, but just slightly, guys. Just slightly. Markets overall, we're seeing the big boys are starting to pump a little bit. We're seeing BTC is up almost 1%. Ethereum is up. But the rest of the altcoins are just kind of like down, right? You can see here. We're just consolidating. Most of the memes are down. Overall, let me get to the overall markets. We'll talk about Doge in a second, guys. So overall, the market cap is slightly up at the 2.27 trillion. So we're just kind of like tightly ranged here, you know. We're going like from 2.2 to 2.8, and we're just kind of like, it's range bound. It's boring. I know a lot of you guys who are new to crypto are like, is that it? This is the bull run? This is a bull run? No, we're just getting started. We're just getting freaking started, guys. Overall, we're seeing Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up, BNB is up, Solana is still down 0.5%, XRP is down, Toncoin is up, and I'm not happy about this. Look, yeah, Toncoin is picking up market cap like crazy out there. Dogecoin is losing. Come on, we need the Doge community to get going. We're down like 12.65% in a week. We're still at 14. So we're going to be talking about some support resistance levels, local support, local resistance level. Cardano is also down as well. SHIB is down. Basically, it's not a good show out there. So meme coin tokens right now, we're seeing that the market cap for meme coins is down as well. It's 49.8 billion. Of course, Doge is leading the pack, followed by SHIB, PEP, Dog, WIF, can't even pronounce it, and Floki. And this kind of came out of nowhere, right? You guys all know the story about my Floki, right? I bought it like, about 2 years ago. It died, and I just left it in my hardware wallet, and it resurrected itself, and now it's like, it's worth a lot. So, it can happen. So, what's going on with Dogecoin right now? Dogecoin, time of recording. Did you smash the likes? Did you subscribe? Go down there, subscribe. What the? Subscribe. So Dogecoin right now is trading at 14.2. we're down 1%. We're seeing the market cap is down. We're seeing 10 coin kicking our butt. Volume is, we're seeing a lot of volume. So this is what's happening. Dogecoin is trading sideways. We may get some Hunter Wicks going as low as 13.5. This may be a good area to set a good limit buy order in case it gets filled. Boring consolidation. So we're seeing a lot of boring consolidation right now for Dogecoin, as you can see. We're just consolidating, right? Super duper boring, nothing happening. But we might get some Hunter Wicks. I mean, we did have a Hunter Wick that went down to 13.94 right here. So yeah, set some limit buy orders. They might get filled. And if you get filled, then you get some cheap Dogecoin. So who doesn't want cheap Dogecoin? Let's see who's in the money, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the likes. Subscribe. I'm banging on you. Pop, 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 pop. And don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. So 79% of all the Dogecoin holders are in the money. So I don't know what you're whinging about. I don't know what you're whining about. But so far we're doing good, guys. And remember, a majority of holders have been holding for more than 1 year. So the conviction is good. So this one, Kevin, out there. I think he used to be called Yoni out there. Kevin, if you're watching, much love, brother. I love your stuff. Thank you for sharing with the community. And he's saying that, look, if Dogecoin wants to create the right shoulder for a textbook inverse and head and shoulder, which is positive shoulders, we need a price target of 22 cents. Now, that would be the perfect time to do so now. So if we're going to hit this textbook to reverse head and shoulders, we need to hit 22 cents. Right now people are saying it's not going to happen. But guys, we're seeing Dogecoin big boys are buying. Should you do the same? So we're seeing large holders are on the rise, potential setting a stage for a price boost. There are a lot of whales that are actually buying Doge right now. Okay, so Dogecoin, the big boys are buying right now. They're buying. Trust me. And we're seeing a lot of metrics right now. Dogecoin big boys are buying. Should you do the same? I still think that it's a good time to pick up the Doge, guys. I still think so. I absolutely still think so. The bad side is we're seeing that the MVR right now for Dogecoin is not good. So this is bad for Dogecoin. The market value, realized value, or MVRV, say that 10 times backwards. The Z-score, let's just call it the Z-score. This score checks if a cryptocurrency is in a bear or bull phase. When the MVR goes negative, it implies that the market is in a bear cycle. But for Dogecoin, the metric was 82.83%, indicating the coin has held its bull phase. However, the metric was falling, suggesting that the price might come down again. So we are seeing that we are positive right now, okay, but we're getting pretty close to negative. So suggesting that if we do flip negative on the Z-score, did you subscribe, that we might go down to 12 cents. So let's see. I don't think we're going to go that low. This is from the Coach D. I have these lines drawn for days, and we're seeing this confluence here because we have resistance and support. We have a local support around about 14 cents. I mean, it's actually 13.9, okay? But I like to say 14 cents. Nick a pick, don't get vitriolic out there. And we have like a local resistance of 15 cents. So that's why Dogecoin is just freaking driving me crazy, getting me a headache, and we're just range bound out there. So yeah, we have some hard resistance around about 15. Let me put that in there, okay? Let me put it in there. Get my punam out of there. Get out of there. We're doing this live. Live on YouTube out there. So let me mark that in. So that's kind of our resistance level here. Let me make that red because it should be red, right? So right there, and then we have some support around about here. Okay, this is our local support. Okay, don't beat me up. I call it 14. It's actually 13.93, but I think it's closer to 14, right? Okay. There we go. Okay, there. Now we need to make that green, right? Okay. You guys bored yet? Smash the likes. Don't get bored. Stay with me. Lots of good stuff happening. And let me make that red. Okay, so we got some kind of, and we'll make that line a little bit thinner. So we got some kind of, so that's kind of what's going on with Dogecoin. We're range bound. We're bored. It's boring. Okay. We talked about the Z-score. We talked about the confluence areas out there. Guys, you got to go to my Twitter. You've got to go there. I mean, I'm always sharing the good nuggets out there. Lots of stuff, guys. Lots of stuff out there on that. Let's keep on keeping on. Dogecoin imminent explosion. Imminent bull surge. Are you ready for 100x explosion? What is this? Is this hyperbole? Is it? Well, it looks like Doge's recent surge fueled by whales. So there's whales indicating a potential bullish trajectory in the crypto markets. There are technical signals, and whale activity suggests Doge might repeat a historic golden cross. So this is related to the golden cross, but we have been talking about the golden cross for a while. But the thing is, the golden cross is coming on the weekly, but we are seeing a ton of whales loading up. So do they know something? Do the whales freaking know something, guys? Dogecoin eyes parabolic growth in key metric amid whale activity. So we're seeing a ton of whale activity. I'm telling you, a ton of whale activity is happening right now. We're seeing that in the past 24 hours, Doge has experienced significant surge on chain activity, with the key metrics indicating potential bullish trajectory for the popular meme coin. According to the data, okay, the into the block data, the large holders of net flow for Dogecoin has witnessed a remarkable growth, shifting from 0 to 386 million Dogecoin during the period. Okay, and it's a short time frame. The large net holders, which monitors the movements of whales and investors, holding over 0.1%. So if you hold over 0.1% of the Dogecoin supply, you are considered a whale. Okay, serves as a crucial gauge for market sentiment. The surge net flow suggests robust accumulation by significant players. So we're seeing a lot of people accumulating, and these are large holders. So all flows in, no flows out. We've seen a ton of inflow. The surge, look, I'm going to make this bigger, okay? The surge in large holders inflow further corroborates the bullish sentiment. Subscribe, like sentiment surrounding Dogecoin as inflows to wallets of large holders increased by almost 200% in the past day. So in the last 24 hours, we had a 200% increase in large Dogecoin holders. And that reached 425.97 million. This uptick in buying activity primarily driven by influential entities such as whales and investors. I tell you, it's weird, but institutions might be buying the Doge, okay? And I believe that this is in anticipation of the golden cross. And we're seeing that the outflows from Dogecoin wallets of large holders decreased significantly from 222.14 million to only 39 million. Okay, this is bullish, guys. Something is brewing, something is happening, and I think that we could see a big price pumpage out there, guys. Dogecoin will do this in July. I hope it's going to do it. I believe it's going to do it. Something, I can smell the whales, guys. I can smell whales, whale turd everywhere. They're buying this. You should be buying it, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitty. I know that you guys think that Dogecoin is a shit show right now, but whales are buying because they're going to do exactly the opposite of what you, the retail people, are thinking. And if you think that the Dogecoin is a shit show, well, they're buying, and there's evidence. I showed you the on-chain. The on-chain is saying that they're buying. Consolidation time for Bitcoin. Nothing really special on the chart, barring we're seeing that short-term holders face about almost a 7% loss if they sell today. So the bull cycle max pain point has been around about minus 12%. So we're still in consolidation period out there. It is what it is. But overall, May we're up 1.76%. So if you reflect back where we are, we're still up over a ton, guys. We're up, guys. We're up almost 50% year to date. So not too shabby. Guys, don't forget, protect your crypto, protect yourself. Get a NANO hardware wallet. Links down there. Subscribe, tap it on the head. Can you feel like the warmth on top of your head? Pow, pow, pow. Guys, get the Dogecoin. You love the Dogecoin. Subscribe, YB, and like, guys. Subscribe already. OG not saying another thing. This is important. This is from Ali, and he's saying, if Bitcoin can reclaim the 64.29 area as support, it is likely to raise to 76. So we need to hit the 64.29, okay? So where are we right now? We're at 61. So if we want to break out, we need to reclaim this area. And this is a key area for Bitcoin. And if we could do that, easily we can hit 76.61. However, if it fails to surpass 64.29, we might retest the support at 51. So we could see a support level retest at 51, okay? They've put it at here, around about 51. Okay, so this is kind of the area that he's saying that we need to get past this whole 64 level here. Let me just put that in. Let me put it in around about 64K. So he's saying that we need to get past this area here, around about there. Okay, that is a key area we need to get past to see the breakout. So let's get it, guys. Lovely, jubbly. Out there, what else is coming for Bitcoin? When Bitcoin breaks past this resistance, and that's the same resistance at 54, we could see things go crazy. We could easily, once we get past there, start heading to 100K, guys. So that's not too shabby. We're seeing Bitcoin is growing faster than internet adoption. That is cool beans, guys. Absolute cool beans. So that's gonna kind of bring this one to a close. Go follow me on Twitter. We got pretty close to almost 14,800 incoming. Guys, be blessed, be well. Have a freaking awesome day out there. I'm off to the grinding grind. It's Monday here in Vietnamville. Subscribe, like, go down there and share some love out there. And comment up storm. Helps the algorithm tell you to like this content. Helps the evil algorithm, which I kind of not like very much. Push out the content. So I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out. Whoa, the glasses came off. I'll see you next one.